Welcome to our Review Value Realization series. In this video, we'll explore Yotpo's reports. My name is Yakov, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for the last 2 years, and I will guide you through this video. To elevate your business, actionable insights are essential, but how can you efficiently track performance and share data with your team without drowning in spreadsheets? Yotpo's reporting tools simplify review management and deliver impactful insights to drive growth. Here's how it works. Our reports gives you an in-depth view of your review performance, customer behavior, and actionable insights. And with the scheduling option, you can automate reports and have them delivered directly to your inbox or team, right when you need them. You can schedule reports to land in your inbox weekly or monthly, making it super easy to stay on top of your review performance. And you want your team to stay in the loop? That's no problem. Just add their email addresses and they'll get the reports too. It's the perfect way to keep everyone aligned and make smarter decisions together. Why is this so valuable? Well, with Yotpo's reporting tools, you can analyze customer feedback, identify trends, and refine your strategies, all from one easy-to-use platform. The scheduling feature ensures your team stays aligned with reports delivered automatically, saving you time and effort. Yotpo offers several types of reports to help you analyze different aspects of your reviews. For example, most positive reviews, which identifies reviews with 4 to 5 star ratings and high sentiment, helping you find testimonials to feature in your marketing campaigns. Most negative reviews, which highlights 1 to 2 star reviews with low sentiment, allowing you to address areas for improvement. Reviews for product groups, which aggregates reviews for specific product groups you've defined, enabling performance analysis across categories. Reviews for new products, which focuses on reviews for products added after a certain date, helping you monitor the reception of new launches. Star ratings over time, which tracks how the star ratings of your products change over time, providing insights into trends and the impact of improvements. Significant star rating change, which detects products with notable changes in star ratings within the past 30 days, so that you can investigate underlying causes. And lastly, reviews with custom questions, which compiles reviews that include responses to your custom questions, offering deeper insights into specific areas of interests. Now let's break down some of the key benefits. Actionable insights to gain a deeper understanding of reviews and customer behavior. Performance tracking to monitor review volume, rating, and engagement metrics. Trend identification to discover patterns to inform product and marketing strategies. Automated reporting to save time with scheduled, customizable report deliveries. And team collaboration to share data effortlessly across your organization. Yotpo Review reports are available for Pro, Premium, and Enterprise brands. Here's a short recap. Yotpo reports strengthens decision-making with actionable insights from customer reviews, which saves time and effort through automated reporting, boosting efficiency. This also enhances collaboration and strategy alignment across teams. How? Well, through a centralized platform that analyzes customer feedback and performance metrics. With automated report scheduling for seamless delivery to team members, which provides various report types to track positive and negative reviews, trends, and performance across all products. And results? Streamlines review management, reducing reliance on manual tracking. This also improves strategy with insights into customer behavior and review trends. And this drives growth through enhanced team collaboration and data-driven decision-making. See you in the next video.